o tseba bana ba ntate yena ha mo tsebe ke ngwana ntate
nna ga ke tsebe gore ke ngwana ntate ke tseba bana ba ntate ba le 5 o simolola ka Julia le Jeanette le Tshepo le Sibite le Lalane bana ba 5 ba ba tswa bona ka ke ga ke se nna gore ke tsamaya.
Sorry, can I pass quickly?
Yes.
Sorry.
Hello you guys and welcome back to the channel. My name is Salo. Please don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, and of course to make sure that you do share this video, guys. The church of the IPC is currently in the news, you guys. There's quite a lot that's happening. That video which I inserted, of course, is of an elderly lady from the church, you guys, and it seems like she is trying to basically drag Ntatemedi's son, or Michael Santlana, and we can hear her saying that she only knows Ntatemedi's kids, and Usantlana is not Ntatemedi's kids, you guys. He is not Ntatemedi's son. Those are what the old lady, of course, is alleging, you guys. Now on Wednesday, a group of Santlana supporters, some in church regalia, stood outside Pretoria Court Specialized Commercial Crimes to support him. Police on payroll to intimidate and harass. One placard read, "The state is corrupt." Another read, "Santlana wearing a grey suit walked into court, of course wearing a face mask." And when proceedings started, the court rejected an application to form proceeding which is brought by individuals claiming to be the media, including one belonging to the church. Dismissing it, the magistrate said the applicants did not present convincing credentials and their paperwork was totally incomplete. The Medici brothers, Tepisho and Leonard, feuded over control, which created fractions and war within the church. Another contender was Santlana, whose faction believed he should have been running the church. The dispute resulted in civil litigation in the Pretoria High Court. Patlani, who presided over the controversial legal battle for control of the church, was granted bail of 50,000 rands last week. Her son, Kagiso and Dala, were granted 10,000 bail each. Now, it is unclear at this stage when or if a formal bail application for Santlana will be brought to court. Now, the main case is due to resume on March the 6th, 2026, you guys. And the video that I inserted of that grandmother, it looks like they are trying to throw Santlana under the bus, so that he doesn't have anything belonging to Medici, because that lady claims that Santlana is not Medici's child. Guys, people were saying in the comment section that grandmother was definitely paid to lie to the congregation, you guys, because they all of their lives have known Santlana as Medici's son. What do you guys think? Please engage your thoughts with me in the comment section down below. Also like this video, of course, to make sure that you do share it so that you do not have to miss out whenever I try to upload a new video.